Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. A fire will help you heat water, prepare food, dry your equipment, and keep you warm. A fire like this radiates in all directions. But how can you focus the heat to come back towards you, towards your camp? To do that, you build a reflector. The heat from a fire radiates in all directions. But by making a reflector, you can utilize more of that heat by having it reflect back towards you. To build a reflector, you will need 4 stakes about this high, about 2-3 feet, and a whole lot of branches to put in between. You will also need either some string or some thin branches to tie the stakes together. Now we have a small reflector that will reflect the heat back towards the shelter. Now, if you have a rescue blanket, you can make an even more efficient reflector and make it a lot faster. There, instant reflector. Now you want to be careful putting your reflector too close to the fire. If you're using old dry wood, you want to keep it away, otherwise that will take fire. And the rescue blanket is very flammable. A small spark will set it on fire. So keep it a bit away from the fire. It'll still be a very efficient reflector. Well, if you have any comments and tips on reflectors and how to use them, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, found it educating and useful for when you go out in the wild and need to build a fire and get warm, well, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.